And this is my dorm room. This is a series on welcome to my dorm room. So these wallpapers right here, I got them all from Temu. They came as a 30-piece wallpaper. And this bowl, I created it. You know how you do in canvas, and then I laminated it and then cut it out. So I created this space. If I were to like take pictures, I would stay here. Or if I were to create a video, I would stay here. This would be like a spot for me to stay. So this is my bedside. So the vines are an inspiration for my friend Sticky's room. She said she got it from her residence, and I decided to put the vines up there. Initially, they were on my window. I still have some on my window, but I was like, oh, okay, my window might not be a great place to put these. So why don't I just put a little on my window and then on my ceiling? And this is my bed, as you can see. I have that little plushie there. Can y'all see it? Yeah, that's my little plushie. And then to my wall side, these are just affirmations. I also got this wallpapers from Temu, or Temu as you people might see. The butterfly, I cut it out myself. Once again, I cut it out myself. And these, I decided to put this wallpaper right by my bed so that when I wake up, I could see these affirmations and they make my day better. And to the side of my bed, I also have these affirmations. One says about not dwelling on your past mistakes. Yeah, right there I have the sunset and the beach and some roses. I really went for the theme colors of pink, purple, and brown because those are my favorite colors. Brown is not my favorite color. I just thought it would accentuate the room more. And this is it. As you can see, I have a rose fairy light on my bed. I'm planning on buying like extra so that it just reaches. And these little pots are from Temu. I also plan to buy an actual pot, plant pots and all to put up there. And I have books on my windows. Can you see that book on my window? It's from the library, like the free books. So I just take them, most of that, and I put it in my room. I had a whole layout for how I wanted my room to be when I came in. So this is a very big room. It's a single room, and I just thought, oh, okay, I want my room to look exactly like this, and I think it all turned out well. It all turned out well. I still have fairy lights coming in that I'm gonna put on the ceiling so that it just like gives it more vibes. Here is my studying area. Please guys, don't mind it. I'm a very disorganized person most of the time, but this is my studying area. I read here, everything, and you can see on the wall. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with butterflies, bows, and anything pink or purple. So I have believe in miracles, cross the stars over the moon to meet yourself. I have a reading picture right there. And then I have these things. Basically, this represent who I am. See, I have a hamper in my room, like to keep my little clothes and all. So thank you guys for coming to my tour of my dorm room. It was so much fun showing you my dorm room. And I do hope you created. I'm gonna turn this to like a Pinterest board so that people get inspiration for the ballroom.